Dis phone na the new Itel S17. I go call am the big battery phone because although na only 5000 mAh battery e dey use, the phone fit stand by for 27 days. You fit use am record video for 7 straight hours, make calls for 30 hours and then play music for 30 days without charging the phone battery. For this video, I go unbox the phone, then show you how the body be. I go on the phone and show you how e be like. Itel talk many things about the camera, so I go use the front and back camera and see how e be. Na Megalight YouTube channel be this, and I dey do everything possible to tell you wetin you need to know about any latest phone when dem release in Pidgin English. If you like my work and this video, you fit support me when you click the subscribe button. If you click the like button too, I go dey happy. If you no like this video or you believe say I dey do something wrong, use the comment box to tell me. So subscribe, like and comment. S17 na really improved phone from Itel Mobile Company. Dem package am for inside this red box. The SIM injector na be the first thing inside. The next thing na the pouch. The phone get this sticker for the front. Then I put the pouch inside just to see if it go make sense. E almost not dey compatible with the phone. I even think say e go break as I dey try to force am inside, but finally e don enter. Next inside the box na the charger. The charging cable, and finally the earpiece. The body of the phone dey clean. The screen na water drop full screen with 90% screen to body ratio. The camera for front na 8 megapixel. The volume and the power button dey the left corner of the phone. If you press am, e dey make the small clicking sound. The top of the phone dey empty, e no carry anything. The right corner of the phone carry the SIM house. For the bottom corner of the phone, you go see the headphone jack, the microphone hole, the charging port, and the speaker. The back of the phone carry the 8 megapixel camera, the flashlight, and the fingerprint sensor. From Itel mobile website, the phone come with quality control. This quality control include 4 things. The first one na resistance to ordinary drops. If the phone fall from your hand, e no go quick damage from just ordinary drops. The second one na dust and moisture proof. The third one be say the phone dey safe to use for even very high temperature. The last one na the structure of the phone. E dey very stable. The phone dey run on 1 gig RAM with 60 gig ROM. Although the phone come with the iBoost 1.0 optimizer, the 1 gig RAM no work at all. Make I turn the phone on to find out. The phone no even need to turn on before I confirm say e dey delay. During the initial setup, e dey delay for some seconds before e go respond to wetin I touch. When I reach the home screen, na still the same thing. The display makes sense, the screen pure, the graphics and the icons no be like the Itel Android phone own when you know. This S17 display dey more advanced pass any other Itel phone own when you been know. So far, the problem now na the performance. The phone dey run on Android 11 and the quick settings get the normal icons with Android 11 Go edition. Make I take small time test the display brightness. Inside the main settings, you go find the details of this phone. The processor na quad-core 1.3 GHz. For the security settings, nothing new, na just the normal security lock plus face lock and fingerprint sensor. The default music player na Boomplay, so I test my first song with this phone and listen. You go notice say the initial part of the song no smooth because the phone dey delay. I still check the FM radio of the phone, e no dey work without earpiece. Talk about the camera, both front and back camera na 8 megapixel. E make sense. Although e no dey zoom far, e dey very clear for both video and pictures. Hello, I just tried the front camera of the Itel S17. Well, it is surprising, it gets very good and fine picture. I no expect say go get this kind. The price of the phone na 42,000 naira. For me, na good deal. The display dey okay. The camera na perfect choice for the average user. With the 5000 mAh battery, the price no be problem. The only challenge na the RAM space. Itel for fit put more effort to make am at least 2 gig RAM. Even when I never install any application, the phone don already dey delay. By the time I go install apps, e go start to run in slow motion. If you dey use this Itel S17, tell me wetin you think about am for the comment section. I go appreciate am too if you like this video and subscribe. I hope I go see you for my next video too.